let's see what are your person's thoughts, opinions, feelings, etc., about you. Very simple kind of reading, but I'm feeling like there's going to be something that is going to come out. So let's see. Be very mindful of these videos, because you also want to kind of not be too seriously involved in it, right? It's okay, like watch this video, but also use discernment, is what I'm trying to say. So let's see what are your partners. Ex partner हो सकता है, estranged हो सकता है, no contact हो सकता है, whatever, XYZ. So let's see what are their energies towards you. Simple. Oh, okay. This person might seem that they're not serious about you, but they are. They are giving you that energy that, listen, I am to just doing time pass with you, or I don't take your feelings very seriously. Like, I'm joking around, I'm fooling around, but there is a lot of love. Like, I can see 10 of cups. See, I can sense that this person is not wanting to give you that satisfaction. This person doesn't want to give that satisfaction that they love you. They don't want to give you that satisfaction that there is a sense of like love and like that kind of a feeling of warmth that they get from you. They don't want to give that satisfaction. I feel like this person also comes of, or also has this kind of a demeanor where they love to keep things within themselves. They don't like to express. They don't like to say constantly, I love you, or I want to be with you, I want to be around you, let's do. They don't like that. They have mute, like their love comes in muted ways. Like you will see it more into the silences. Their silences will speak more than their words ever will. Again, like when I see the magician, this person will provide when it is time to provide. This person is not going to step away when it is not, like when it is, like they will not ever leave you alone kind of an energy. But they also like to do things when they are wanting it, but they are masters of their own will. They will not, like if you tell them, listen, do this, do this, do this, no way they are going to listen to you. But that is their love language. I think that this person loves you. This person has a connection with you. They would love to be with you, but they also don't want to be caged in that energy. Like with Four of Wands and Eight of Swords, it's very important because they don't want to be caged with the love that they have for you, right? It doesn't have to become claustrophobic for them. So they want to be able to be themselves. And this person, like when I say they want to be themselves, what I mean by that is this person wants to execute or show their love in their own way. High Priestess, in their own muted way. It can feel like this person is not serious about you. As I'm honest, I'm going to tell you that it can feel like this person is keeping their energies to themselves, or is not interested, is playing games, or not giving you commitment. But they are like that. They don't want to give that satisfaction. They will never say that, listen, you are the best. But they will do certain things, and they'll say certain things. There will be moments in which you'll be like, I know why I'm with this person. That is what you need to focus on.